In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a design in Canva. Once you've finished working on your design, the next step is making sure the right people can access it in the right way. Canva makes this process very simple, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it clearly and efficiently. Start by opening your design in Canva. Make sure you're on the design you actually want to share before moving forward, especially if you have multiple tabs or projects open. This helps avoid sending the wrong file by mistake. When your design is open, look toward the top area of the Canva editor and click Share. This is where Canva keeps all of the main sharing options in one place. After you click it, a sharing panel will appear, and this is where you can control how other people interact with your design. Next, choose the access level you want to give. This part is important because it determines what someone can do once they open the link. If you want others to make changes directly to the design, choose the option that allows them to edit. If you only want them to look at the design without changing anything, select View Access. And if you want feedback without giving full editing permission, choose the comment option so people can leave notes and suggestions. After setting the access level, you can decide how you want to share the design. One option is to simply copy the link. This is useful if you want to paste it into a message, a document, or anywhere else you normally communicate. Canva may also allow you to create a personalized link, which can be helpful if you want something a little more tailored or easier to recognize. If you want to go beyond sharing a basic link, Canva also gives you the option to share directly to social media and other platforms. In the Share panel, click See More to explore a wider range of sharing options. This section can be useful when you want to send your design somewhere specific without leaving Canva. Before you send anything out, it's always a good idea to quickly double-check the access setting you selected. That small review can save time and prevent confusion later, especially when working with a team or sharing client-facing content. That's it. Once you understand where the share button is, how access levels work, and where to find more sharing options, you can confidently send your Canva designs exactly the way you want.